are you happy with the current state of the party?
Obviously not. Say if I'm happy and coming back. Okay. Because I said the honey year Jumano, why do you want to come and push the person out? I mean, if Poku name maybe I think his deputies could have taken over. But that's one thing I believe in. So be here Juma and Hano Buano. No nye Juma. But when I didn't kosune nkuya na owo ahwa the competence to do it, don't sit back and fold your arms. Your party no egu triso. Of course. It was a back out in 10 na babeboa. And that is why I have stepped in.
I remember this follow up. 87.9. Mabun bebrenya opportunity as serve. At that level. Or my disappointing mabuna mo so mo bay. Ojitum so my disappointing.
It could be a yes or no answer because you will be an disappointed. If you move by on by year
and a man is difficult a man mabuna more party in some possible cost.
Oh Debbie because some me could this year, you know. At age 30, I appoint him now. Who na we there? You know, bet me a young boy there, young man. We won't compare the Juma being here, and also quite motivate him. Say I don't go for doubt. You say Juma mean to me no. Until I say, Mr. Me to me here Juma, not for myself. Them kind not for myself, but for other youth. Our party so that in future. Based on maybe performance, no, successive governments can also appoint youthful age to such office. This is me quiet until me first term, no, me be messy up na man perform here. Anka second term, the number of the influx of youthful appointments are present here. The bar MMDs no kwanye. But I'm sure, say, in the minds of yes, of course.
Say, oh, Bokwan part to one.
I said, Woody Kaya also Bokwan.
Bangrofo party mom do man, you say, or Mundo interest in any kind.
And no, a higher the above position here, woman. Because say, Obia who could Dikaya, who say one, you're on the first person, I'll be this position, be a bit deep. Until our set, baby, any panel jar to, you know. Either say, Obe jar to her now, be pigeon. Say untumi a mane ma form ulowa standards ne pe wa haye enti na na mrofo no bo say we was wa resign why say yes a principle because o hwe na ade no untumi nya ka che enko hide behind oh me na sum we ana me na we na me godfather ana me godfather me ni godfather bia me godfather ani mabunu no mo beto aba ma me no so I am answerable and accountable to the mabunu